Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to get online translation jobs with Atominium, one of the leading translation agencies in Poland. To begin your journey with Atominium, head over to their website. Click on the Career tab at the top of the page. This is where you will find all the detailed information and procedures for applying as a freelance linguist. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.